Okay, so these past few months have been difficult for me to focus on these bikes. Due to unforeseen circumstances, we've had to move, making the projects way more difficult to make time for. However, I've still been putting in 30 minutes here and there, and I've actually made some progress. First thing of note is obviously I'm in a new place, no longer in the storage unit. I still have some things to grab from there, like the bikes, of course, the KTM and my wife's bike. But I did want to show you, this is now the WR frame. I put the seat on there just to kind of show what it's going to look like, but this thing turned out way better than I thought it was going to. Obviously, I still have some organizing to do. That's a bunch of parts. That's all WR parts right there. Check this thing out. Kickstand turned out okay, even with the hole that's there, but can't really tell. This is the swing arm. It got powder coated too. Nothing looks stock. Everybody's like, oh, you're gonna put all this work into it and not want to ride it in the woods. I believe I will want to ride it in the woods. Also, I doubt you can see it, but right where my finger is, there was pitting. I didn't want to end up spinning a bearing or something like that, and after all this work, put the bike at risk and end up having to buy a new motor anyway. I still plan on using these cases, but I found something on eBay that I felt like if I didn't get it, I would have regretted if the engine failed. And here it is. It's the entire bottom end of a 92 WR200. I also got some radiators. They could use some work. I don't know how I would fix them, but its fins aren't that great. Kind of wish I didn't spend the money on them, but they were 50 bucks. Got a new radiator brace, all the old bearings and stuff that I pulled out of these two cases. But I also have all of this, and I have lots of other goodies on top of that box over there. But all in all, the bike is pretty much ready to start going back together. Anyway, thanks all who watches. I know that I don't have the greatest content in the world, but we're working on it. 30 minutes for today. Over the next while, I guess, we'll be working on getting all the wiring done. I still have this triple clamp to clean up. It's still a little grimy looking, but the bearings thing, have all the wheels and everything in the car. Till next time, peace.